This is the foreign language service of Radio Time. Yes, and hello again. This is side 2 of the show. You're tuned over the airways of Radio Time, the international service, and I promise you somewhat familiar sounds coming up. So just here we go. Released as the first hit single a while ago, means like in 1978 or so, by Grace Jones, and re-released as a super sound single these days, La Vie en Rose. Golden classic, Grace Jones. Well, sit back in your chair and dig the music. The Life of a Rose. I guess it was done by Edith Piaf 20 years ago, so this time around Grace Jones as a re-release these days. 12.5 minutes over the hour. You're along with Roger Kirk. Another exciting show, I hope so, on the international service here. From down south Italy, central Italy, to Radio Time Florence. Video Kids, Plastic Bertrand, Joe Boxes, follow-up sound to the Boxer beat, Just Got Lucky. This is Radio Time.
Do you like good music?
94.2. It's music for you. In 2 years of absence or so from the scene, he's back with a new album. And the hit single was the same title. Lawyers in Love, Jackson Brown. Well, precisely 30 minutes to go until the show is over. We got the Hollies coming up after absence of 20 years. No, since 20 years, making music, and the old form is still together, or again together with Graham Nash. A cover version of the Supremes Oldie from 1964 that had a recent smash it over in the United States, Stop in the Name of Love. The Hollies. Coming up again, two oldies. I do not remember or do not know whether this following record has been released. I can remember still I played it around 1974, and perhaps it might have been released already in the early 60s or late 60s or so. Oh. Let's listen to